Math education. When I say those words, many people get scared. They didn't have a positive experience with math in school. They don't understand it. And so they avoid it. I think we can change that. A large portion of math that is taught in the United States is memorization. It's not math, it's memorization. Algorithm after algorithm after algorithm. Rote practice until they get it done. But that's not what math is. When I got to college, I began to learn that what I had spent more than 13 years of my life learning was not math. And so I began to question, what is math? And I learned that it's a lot of reasoning and perseverance, problem solving, a lot of proofs as well. First time I was even exposed to a proof was in high school. And again, it still followed that algorithm problem. And then I got to college and I started proving math facts, such as why is a number even and why is a number odd? And it made a huge difference to me because I understood these math concepts. And that's something why I believe that the math education in the United States is not taught correctly. I think there should be a higher focus on problem solving. And I began to look at some of the other high achieving countries by looking at some test results from the Program for International Students Assessment. I looked from the year 2018, so this is fairly new results. And average was about 489. And the United States only had 478. While countries like Japan had well over 500. And I began to question, well, what is Japan doing differently? So I began to look into their curriculum that they're teaching their students. And it actually comes from the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, which is an organization of teachers who teach math in the United States. They came up with this program in the 1980s and have been studying it ever since. They've been studying how to make meaningful problem solving a part of the classroom, because it is not just enough to offer the students problems and ask them to solve it, but it has to be meaningful to the students. Asking them why does Joe buy 75 watermelons is not meaningful, but asking them how long would it take for you to save up if you get 25 cents for the new pencil at the bookstore makes it more meaningful and something that they can focus in on. I feel as though we're doing our students an injustice by teaching them these algorithms when we truly should be focusing on helping them work on those problem-solving skills and their perseverance and applying these math concepts. Just teaching algorithms is not enough for these students and is doing them a huge injustice as we fall again and again and again into the pattern of many people feeling as though they don't understand math and that they don't want to do it, and that even our future teachers frequently do not feel like they are prepared to teach these concepts.